Avvo Business Law Ka app. The pros, the cons. The Avvo Business Law Ka app is designed to give entrepreneurs and business owners instant access to legal advice, but most people get this wrong when they think it replaces a lawyer entirely. The surprising truth is that Avvo connects you with licensed attorneys who can answer your questions quickly, often for free or at a fraction of traditional consultation costs. The app allows users to pose questions related to contracts, compliance, employment law, intellectual property, and more. Responses come from verified attorneys, and each answer is rated by the community for helpfulness. This provides real-world guidance without the typical delays of scheduling in-person consultations. For startups or small businesses, this can save both time and money. One major pro is accessibility. You don't need to know complex legal jargon, you simply ask your question in plain language. Another benefit is the transparency. Attorney profiles, reviews, and ratings help you choose the right expert for more in-depth services if needed. It's also mobile-friendly, so you can get advice on the go. On the flip side, the app isn't a substitute for personalized, in-depth legal counsel. Some answers may be general, and complex issues like high-stakes mergers or litigation require full attorney involvement. Additionally, response quality can vary depending on the attorney's expertise and workload. In conclusion, the Avvo Business Law Ka app is an excellent tool for quick, accessible legal guidance on everyday business questions. It helps you understand your options, make informed decisions, and connect with attorneys efficiently. While it's not a replacement for comprehensive legal representation, it's a smart first step for businesses seeking fast and affordable legal insights.